Here we are, Lucille. Now about 3:30 in the morning. She flipped over onto her back at 20 to 10. At 9:40 she flipped over onto her back. This is my new spider. I've only had her for about 2 weeks. Scarlet bird eater. You got, babe? Yeah, I'm not very good with scientific names. What's the name? There you go then. I've had her for 2 weeks, and after reading up on a lot of blogs and YouTube channels, mainly look at Tom's Big Spiders, the Dark Den, and Mark's Chancellors. They'll be 2 months, and what I've learnt from them guys already just feel like I'd have been in it for years, to be honest, with her experience, and then just watching and listening. Here she is on the final part. Look at them lovely colours coming through. This is not the best angle. I wouldn't want to undo the door of the cage. Showing this behaviour earlier, so we put more water into the enclosure, more water bowls. Dealt with humidity. And hopefully so far so good. See the new fangs. Say she's been sat there for 5.5 hours, or yeah, 5.5 hours doing nothing, just lay upside down, twitch for at first, what, 20 minutes, half an hour or so, and then did the odd twitch, but then we've seen it do nothing for about 3 hours, and then all of a sudden it just starts twitching a bit on the floor, and then where it's on its mat, and then it's come out pretty quick. It's like it's probably only took it 30 minutes to do this. Which I ain't got no special cameras or equipment or anything. I'm actually bent over doing this, my back's killing. But it's well worth it. It's so good watching them on YouTube, but watching your own spider do it's just... Oh, what, babe? Amazing. Amazing. She was dropping off 2 hours ago, but she soon woke up and seen it twitching. This is a favourite spider, that's why. There, look at the other spiders, see what they do. Is that McCann over there? Well, he's dead as per normal. He's a baby. No, he's not hard. He's sweet. There's Frederick. No, he's not biting through my cage because he bit through the cage earlier. There's Wilma. It's funny, Wilma is always stood funny. Like covers her eyes as well when she goes to sleep with her legs. It's crazy. The legs are definitely different to the rest of the spiders I've got. But like I say, I'm no spider expert. I've read as much as I can on internet, mainly from Tom's Marks and the yeah, Dark Den. What's she finally there, babe? What's that bit there? I can see. That there, look, there. That bit is massive, look, there. Big bit there. Fangs? Not fangs, fangs are gone. What's that bit? Huh? The old, look at the old legs though moving. It's like they're still. Well, it last bits that way, that's why. Fangs are over there. Look, fangs are there, right at the back. So what's this big bit there? That must be the old. It's nearly out. I'm going to stop this and come back.
Oh no, it's not much. Your leg's nearly out.
Maybe keep it rolling. This video will take ages to upload to YouTube. Come on girl, you can do it. I bet you're glad you stayed up. Can you pass my can, babe? I bet you're glad you stayed up now, aren't you, babe? Hey?
Yeah.
We've drank tomorrow's beers now, watching this.
Oh, worth it.
Well worth it, yeah.
Looks like she's got blood on her thumbs.
Probably do. She has got blood on her fangs, babe. She has got blood on her fangs, babe. It's just probably like you've got blood when you come out of your mum's womb, innit? But yeah, there's quite a bit.